Permaculture is systems thinking, and it's an ecological design theory that basically looks at different systems. So a common example would be like a garden system and how it can best implement sustainable practices to obtain a yield and basically put in less than you're getting out.
Permaculture isn't only applied to agriculture, or permaculture isn't only applied to conservation, or permaculture isn't only applied to social systems. It's the integration of all of these.
It can be applied to like any facet of life, like the way we form relationships, to the way we build things architecturally, and it's all formulated around earth care, people care, and fair share.
Collective working and collective thought is super important, and just developing relationships with yourself, with others, with the land, this whole me, we world kind of idea. Where I'm from in New England, permaculture is like totally different from the Southwest, so I really dug how it was like a place-based class, and we were really learning and growing with the Southwest and the people who live in the Southwest.
And attract a lot of birds to take care of the grasshoppers. I'm sure y'all have seen the grasshopper problems Arizona has. They do a lot of damage here, so we try to set up things that'll take care of those problems naturally. 2 quarts of molasses, measuring cup here. This is an EM, 2 quarts of EM.
The minerals get absorbed into the stomata so that the plant's stronger already, and it's not more water than nutrients, right? It's more sugar and nutrients than water. So that's going to stop it a little bit. And then also the microbes eating the molasses produces a certain amount of heat.
Oh, that's so cool!
The master bedroom is right underneath this window, and it's actually sunken down into the ground about 1 floor. So the thermal mass of the earth keeps the room at a fairly constant temperature throughout the year.
We also went to Deep Dirt Farm, which is run by this woman, Kate, and she is one of the most inspiring permaculture, I guess, visionaries that I have personally ever met.
Hell of a lady.
But the principles and practices are pretty much the same. And any time that you can do your little piece, it fills that picture in. So we don't have to save the whole world, we just have to do our little piece of it.
You could really see how she was feeling internally, like the space and her land around her was just thriving with like life.
So this is like a prime example of experiential education in its full-fledged working awesomeness, because we're out there like walking around farms and digging in the dirt and playing with compost and occasionally eating maggots. That was Orion, not anyone else, but yeah, no, it feels really natural, and it feels like this is something that like I was in a sense like born to do.
I think that taking it as a block class was very vital, because you're really steeping yourself in this, immersing yourself in this, having it become a habit, having it become a way of living, and then being able to move forward from there.
The class was amazing. I had a really awesome time just learning and experiencing all the things that I did. I'm really grateful for the experience, and I'm grateful for the people I got to share it with.
Moving forward from here, I would say that just personally the number one thing that I took away is hope, honestly.
Yeah, I think everybody should take permaculture because the world needs it.
I think it has a lot of applicability for most people here. I'm trying to think of someone who shouldn't take this class.